Alright guys, so I'm trying to fit a bit this electric power steering to the Sierra column. This is the Sierra column. So mounts up here, and this bit comes off here. Now this is off a 2008 Toyota Yaris. Got it with the ECU for $50 from the wreckers, so it's pretty cheap. While I was there, also grabbed the end uni joint here. What I'm hoping to do is fix this roughly around that, sort of around there, cut this off here somewhere, and take this off, weld it onto here, and then join the two shafts. Maybe get this machine, slip it in here and weld her up, and then with this bit possibly just cut the end off here and have this slip in here somewhere and weld it up, and then I'll just have it like this, and that into the wall here with this end in it. We'll see if we can see how it's going to fit. So the drama is we've got this bracket here. These are the mounts with the frame, and there's also the brake switch, a couple of other things. I'm hoping to mount it up in here. So what I'm hoping to do is fit this, piss that off, might be a little cutting, but sort of fit it up like that with the bracket welded on here, connecting back up to the original mounts. And there should be still enough room for the wiring in the back. Might have to nick a little bit out of these brackets. We'll see how we go. I made a pretty crude template. So I'm going to fix that up there, and going into here, this is going to sit roughly here. So I'm going to make this up and try and tack it into place. See how we travel on from there. guess where this is going to go and put a couple of tacks and see how it goes. About there. I'll just move this bracket, we can sort of see where the hole lines up at that. No, if it's going to be a little off center on this, as we can see here, we're a little off. So the steering wheel might sit a little bit to that side. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I'll come back and fit it up, see how it looks. So this is the bracket, mounted up. Had a bit of a fail first attempt. It ended up sitting over a bit low, and so I had to put the whole column in, bolt it up to the bracket, get it in the right spot, and just get a few tacks. You can see it's a bit ugly, but I'll just leave it like that for now. Fit the rest of it up, and then once I'm happy, I'll fully weld it up and get a bit of strength into it. But that's not moving at the moment. It's pretty solid. Alright, so I've cut a bit of this surround off. I think I've got to cut it back a little bit, and I've chopped this down. Let's fill the collar. Now that's going to slip over here, and made up there. Now it's pretty close. It's like almost, if I didn't want it to collapse, I could weld it right there, but I'm going to try and cut it it's a little bit shorter and have the bit that slips up in here, so at least this will be able to slide down. It's not going to be much. It's only going to be, I don't know, yeah, it's not going to be much at all, but that's why I'm going to try and do it anyway. So I'll see when I this is the piece that slides inside, so I'm going to weld that in here, and that slides inside that. So that slides in there. It's a tight fit, but that's how that works. So try and do that. Come back. Alright, so we've sort of got a bit of a mock, got it mocked up, so you can see here. I've just tack welded these in, because you've got electronics in here. You've got to really just, I'm going to have to just tack it, let it cool down, tack, just tack it around. So once we, I'm only not going to have much slide in this, but I suppose it's better than nothing. I think I'll just leave this will only just be sort of tacked in, so I need to hold it, stop it from torquing left to right. It'll collapse a bit more down here in the uni joint, so hopefully that works. So now I just got to figure out the shaft length from here. I'll stick something down there, add another 20 mil, because we've got this. This is the slip joint that will fits over that one, and then I'll cut that here and weld it onto the shaft from the original Suzuki. So I'll have to slip over like there-ish, and they'll give it the slide. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I've sorted this out. I've welded, just tacked it in at the moment. So that's the end piece there. It's fairly centered, which is good. And then those slides over that, and then I will slide in there, and you can see she's turning. Let's see. So this was just a piece of the Yaris that I cut off and I just tacked on here. So that's it. I'll weld that up properly, nice and strong, and she'll be good to go. So this is the column starting to go back in. So I've placed it in there. It is a tight fit. Let me see if I can move this. So as we can see, it is right up against that sort of lucky enough to sort of half blocking a vent there. So I've got to try and figure something out there. We'll just leave it with no vent to that side. I've mounted the control box up here. Hopefully that's not in the way of anything. Not sure yet, but I've just fixed it. So I just altered the bracket a bit that was on there. And just the two nuts there pushed through. So there, I'm going to cut a hole out here for a grommet. The power lead's going to run straight into this fuse box made up. It's from a Jeep. These are for the fuel injection, and I think this one I've got to get a 50 amp fuse, so it's just straight off the battery, 50 amp fuse to here, straight to the ECU. So that's it. All right. So I've got this. I've hooked up the control boxes up there, and we've got the blue wire coming out of the controller, goes to a fuse connector, well, fuse splice in the fuse box, and I think pink one's going to the vehicle speed sensor. I'm not sure if that works yet, and then the power and earth large ones go up through here, and I have I just drilled a hole, put a grommet. It goes into this fuse box here that has a 40 or 50 mil, 50 amp maxi fuse. I think one of them ones. one of them. It's a 40 or 50 mil, 50 amp, and the earth. Yeah, we'll check it. See how connect it up. Right. Alrighty. Let's see how this goes. Right, so see, at the moment we can see the tyres are pretty flat, so it's fairly hard to turn. Alright, I'm going to turn. Turn takes a couple of seconds to it's not super light, but it's a lot better. Do it with a finger. So seems to work so far.